giving you the inside track on local businesses. This is 13 Inside Track, sponsored by We Grow Hair Indy.
Welcome to 13 Inside Track. I'm Laura Steele. Today joining us in studio is Darren Andrews of We Grow Hair Indy. We are also joined by Will Sadler of Transitions of Indy. Two different approaches under one roof. Darren, let's talk about that.
Yeah, so We Grow Hair Indy is the medical side of things. So for the last 20 years, we've been specializing in hair transplantation, multi-unit hair grafting, which is what I've had done, and of course, artist robotic FUE.
Okay, Will, what about you on your side?
Yeah, with Transitions Indy, we specialize on more of the non-surgical aspect of things. So like PRP, laser hair therapy, different biologics options, as well as non-surgical hair replacement. So anything that doesn't revolve around like hair transplantation, we've got you.
Okay, let's talk about this time of the year. A new year.
Yeah.
A new you, people say. Is this a time where you're seeing a lot of people?
It really is. I mean, firstly, people have a bit more downtime in the winter. So that means that you can go through the procedure, not have to worry about some of the things so far as activities in the summer might be concerned. But it's also a window where if you fast forward, you look out about 4 months, you're going to have new hair growing by the time spring and summer gets here. So pool season, vacations, it's a good time to have more hair. So very popular time to have the procedure.
And why should people come see you guys first before they really explore any other options?
This is all we do. We've been doing this for over 27 years, and this is what we specialize in. There's a lot of different reasons why people can go through hair loss, whether it be genetic, hormonal, medically related reasons. And making sure that you have the expertise that's going to be able to hone in on what that cause or what that root cause is going to help with getting you set up for success.
Okay, local care. You guys are here. I do know people travel to see you guys too, but you are here in central Indiana. What's important about that?
Yeah, so I think what's important about it is just having the care and the availability. If you have questions or concerns, we're here. And hair restoration is it's a marathon, not a sprint. Like I had a procedure 20 years ago, and I've had one multi-unit hair grafting, hair transplant, but I continue to do things for my hair that wasn't transplanted. So we're about building that relationship and having that long-term level of comfort with our clients where we can be reached out to at any time.
And we hear a lot about supplements and things you can get mailed to your home. Why is it best to come see you guys?
Well, a lot of times that's the first step that a lot of people take. And what can be an issue is that they can become disheartening if it doesn't work for you, right? Mm-hmm. So coming in and seeing what we can do to provide a solution for you that is proven to work is going to be everything with setting you up for success.
Okay, and how can someone get set up for success?
Yeah,
Where do they go?
WeGrowHairIndy.com, of course, or TransitionsIndy.com. We work together. So if you come to We Grow Hair Indy and we don't have a solution, we work with Transitions, they'll have a solution. So 317-522-2995. Give us a call.
All right. Thank you so much, Darren and Will, for your time today. If you'd like to see your business or your organization featured on 13 Inside Track, all you have to do is email us at 13insidetrack@WTHR.com.